Stuck and starting shit with anybody mean mugging. Look at you, a real nigga, thinking your life cool. Girls used to turn me down for guys who were like you. Till you grab their heart and shove a spearhead right through. Then they regret it because it wasn't the right move. Your real nigga talk things bogus. A real nigga don't brag about being real as long as he knows it. And his future doesn't seem hopeless. A real nigga stays out of jail, handle shit and you keep focused. So all you rappers who so in my ill mind.
You dropped it, bud. Buddy.
She grabbed my face and that's when she said, I like that shit. Hope you like me.
I'll pull you so you don't. I'll pull you so you don't.
I heard it. Sit.
Another one over there. Got a crawdad. They're crawling right there. Nature, bro.
Another one right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, we got that salamander there. We got a crawdad right there. Where'd the other salamanders go? There's one over there.
One right here by shore.
There's one right over there swimming. Oh. Hi, Commander. You having a good time at the river? Why are you backing up? Hi, buddy. No, you're stuck on your cord.